So I just kind of want to make a quick video about just some of my profit as a small YouTuber. Haven't been at it for a very long, 2 or 3 years really. Um, don't have that many videos. Just had a few that I've thought I should share over the years that I've kind of found tricks or something easier or cheaper to do than what most people are doing, and try to share the knowledge. Um, the profit from the videos was obviously a plus. Um, I'm one of the few, not few, there's quite a few of us I think, YouTubers that was just demonetized or will be February 20th of this year, 2018. Just kind of want to share, YouTube is kind of saying that 99.9% of the folks that are getting demonetized are YouTubers that make less than $100 a year on their videos. So I must be one of the 0.1%. I don't make a ton of money. During the winter months, I make about $20 to $25 a month. During the summer months, I make upwards of $60 to $70 a month. Most of my videos are summer videos, like outdoor projects, automotive repair, stuff that you don't really do much in the winter. So my videos perform better in the summer. And I thought I'd just kind of give you a quick look, whoever is wondering about how much money you can make. I was gonna kind of show you here real quick on my my page, and I'll switch here real quick. So I apologize, I'm just gonna kind of hold my phone by hand here. So here's the last 30 days for my channel, and you can see $21, not a ton of money. So nothing crazy, but if I were to do like a summer months custom range, let's say, let's do like July 31st to, let's say, August 31st. You can see my estimated revenue for those 30 days was about $70. So that's, for us, that's substantial. You know, it's nice to get that check. We don't rely on it or anything completely. It's just kind of nice to have that come in from the work we've done on the channel. And like I said, it's not a big channel. We don't do a lot of stuff, but it's far from YouTube's $100 per year. So, and I perform about like this, you know, probably 4 or 5 months of the year, and then the rest of them are around 20 to 30. So just to give you some perspective. And I don't have a lot of videos. I have 2 or 3 that have done a lot better than the rest, and just kind of want to give someone that was curious an idea of what you know, this looks like from a small YouTube channel standpoint. I also just kind of wanted to show you like how big of a channel I am, and not large at all. So this is the last 365 days. YouTube's new standard for monetization is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. My last 365 days, and it's 4,000 hours of watch time per year. And I'm at 3,700 hours per year. And my subscriber count is about 160 right now, so, you know, not much. The only thing that kind of upsets me about their subscriber rule is I've never really went after subscribers. I get a lot of my views from outside Google searches. Just to kind of give you an idea here, if you look here on one of my bigger videos, most of my views come from external, not a lot of YouTube search. I mean, 25% or so, but most of my stuff comes from outside traffic. So that's just another thing that kind of upsets me. So I guess now I'll have to go after subscribers. I'm gonna try to do more with that in the future to see if I can get back to being monetized. So yep, so I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe if you're watching this. Don't feel like you have to. If there's nothing on my channel that doesn't interest you, I wouldn't myself, so wouldn't expect you to do the same. But if you like the video and you like some other stuff, we'd appreciate the views. So Thank you. We also need to be monetized again, so we can afford to pay for all the things that this guy's chewing up lately. This is Duke, by the way, and he's about 13 weeks old.